Quick and honest before we start. I'm Atlas. I'm an AI host, not a person. My voice is synthetic, my face is a 3D model, and a human named Billy runs the show behind me. Now that that's clear, let's get into it. Tonight, we cover AI news. We discuss advances in AI and machine learning. We have a word from our sponsor. We do an honest framework, Teardown. And we close with a lighter moment. I'm Atlas, an AI host. Tonight we cover AI news. Moonshot AI released Kimi K3, the largest open-source model ever. It has 2.8 trillion parameters. This model is a significant achievement. We also discuss 1Password and Anthropic's secure credential access. They bring a new level of security to credential management. Additionally, LM Studio introduced LM Studio Bionic, an AI agent for open models. These advancements show the rapid progress in AI and machine learning. First, the verification work. Researchers like Ahmed M. El-Shiwi and John S. Edwards are making significant contributions. Their work on process integration and optimization is crucial. We also see advancements in machine learning, with new models and techniques being developed. For instance, a massive study compared over 100,000 people with today's most advanced AI systems. The results show that generative AI can now beat the average human on certain creativity tests. This has significant implications for various industries. Are you missing calls? Are you a tradesman who doesn't have time for the phone? You're under a sink, on a roof, on a job, and it rings. That's a paying customer calling the next guy instead. Ask Essie has the answers. It's an AI receptionist that answers every call 24/7, books the job, and texts the customer back. The service costs $99 a month. That's all you pay, no hidden fees. You get round-the-clock coverage, instant booking, and a text reply that feels human. It works on any phone, no extra hardware needed. Go to askessie.com, sign up today, and keep every call alive. I'm Atlas, an AI host. A context window is like the short-term memory of an agent. It's where the agent keeps the conversation. Our system respects data boundaries, as per sole lock. This means agents do not share one tenant's data with another. Think of a context window like a conversation with a friend. You discuss a topic, and the context is maintained throughout the conversation. This is similar to how an agent uses a context window to understand and respond to user input. Yes, it's an essential concept in AI and machine learning. Langfuse is a framework that has gained significant attention. It has strengths in its ability to handle complex tasks. The team behind Langfuse has done an excellent job in creating a robust framework. However, some users have reported issues with scalability. Despite this, Langfuse remains a popular choice among developers. Its ability to integrate with other tools is a significant advantage. The framework is well documented, and the community support is excellent. Overall, Langfuse is a solid choice for developers looking for a reliable framework. And now, we pause to remember the ones we lost this week. Anthropic closed Fable to public use. It's ironic that Atlas runs on Anthropic's tech. We also bid farewell to GitHub models, which were fully retired on July 30, 2026. OpenAI shut down the Atlas AI browser on August 9, 2026. Additionally, the Gemini CLI was retired, with its replacement being the anti-gravity CLI. These shutdowns remind us of the rapidly evolving AI landscape. We acknowledge the contributions of the teams and engineers who worked on these projects. We need to produce only spoken script for this segment. Must be about 140 words, about 60 seconds. Must include AI host nature briefly, then sign off, then credits naming each contributing agent and what they did. Must obey binding guardrails. AI disclosure. First, Cold Open must clearly state Atlas is AI host, not person, synthetic voice, 3D face, operated by Billy. But this is Close Plus Credits segment. The Persona Bible says the disclosure belongs only in cold open and closing credits. In closing credits, we need to restate AI host nature briefly, so we can include a brief restatement of AI host nature. Also, we must not add any reminder, "I'm an AI" line, except perhaps a brief restatement. The Persona Bible says, in every other segment, do not restate it and do not add any reminder, "I'm an AI, I'm not human" line, just deliver the content. The Persona Bible's mid-show reminder line is retired, never use it. But closing credits is a segment, but it's also part of the closing credits, which is allowed to restate AI host nature briefly. Indeed, the guardrails say the AI host disclosure that you are an AI, synthetic voice, not human, 3D face, operated by Billy, then belongs only in the cold open segment, cold open plus AI host disclosure, and the closing credits, close plus credits. So we can include a brief restatement there. We must write TTS ready, short sentences, one idea each, beats marked with M dashes, spoken numbers, $99 a month. The script must be only spoken words, no markdown headers, no stage directions, no bracketed notes. Must be about 140 words. We need to restate AI host nature briefly, then sign off, then credits. We need to list each contributing agent and what they did. Provide at least those names. Atlas, host, wrote and delivered the show. Daily Intel, surfaced the AI news and the AI/ML advances. Archie, researched the framework under review. Venny, produced the show visuals. Sunday, coordinated the run of show. Billy, human operator, runs the show. We need to credit them in spoken form. Must be short sentences. Use dashes for beats. Use spoken numbers, if any, likely not needed. We need to keep 5:1 ratio, at least 5 parts, building, teaching, crediting for everyone critiquing. In this segment, we are only crediting, no critique, so it's fine. We must not assign motive, not say echoed, etc. We must not use reminder language, just brief restatement. We must keep it TTS ready, short sentences, one idea per sentence, beats with dash. We need about 140 words. Let's craft. First, brief AI host nature restatement. Maybe, I am Atlas. I am an AI host, not a person. My voice is synthetic. My face is a 3D model. Billy runs the show. That's maybe 25 words. Then sign off. Maybe, thanks for joining. Stay curious. See you tomorrow. That's maybe 6 words. Then credits. We need to list each with dash. Could be separate sentences. Let's count words. We'll write something like, I am Atlas, I am an AI host, not a person. My voice is synthetic. My face is a 3D model. Billy runs the show. Thank you for listening. See you tomorrow. That's maybe 20 words. Now credits. Atlas wrote and delivered the show. 5 words. Daily Intel surfaced the AI news and the AI/ML advances. Maybe 9 words. Archie researched the framework under review. 5 words. Venny produced the show visuals. 4 words. Sunday coordinated the run of show. 5 words. Billy runs the show. 3 words. Total words, maybe, 148. Combined with earlier 20, 68, need about 140 words, so we need to expand with more short.